My daughters wanted some Halloween decor in our home, and I thought it would be fun to decorate our mantle, our breakfast nook, and our front door with some Halloween themed accessories and do some DIYs. So if you're looking for some Halloween and fall DIY decorating ideas today, I'm going to share some really simple things with you. I found these candles on Amazon. I will link to them in the description box below. You can simply put some batteries inside and twist the bottom and they turn on and they flicker. So I'm just taking some clear fishing line and I'm tying it around the top of the candle just like this. I want to create some Harry Potter inspired floating candles for our mantle, so I'm using some command hooks and I'm attaching them to the top of the mantle with the hook facing forward. Now I'm taking those candles and I'm tying the string around the hook so that they hang just like this in front of the mantle. My girls are gonna absolutely love this. The Harry Potter ride at Universal was our favorite one that we went on when we did our little trip this spring. I'm making them staggering lengths so they have kind of a whimsical look to them. And then I am just draping this sort of dark cheesecloth over the mirror just like this. You can find these at Dollarama, Dollar Tree, really inexpensive and such a simple way to make pretty much anything in your home look spooky. Now my littlest daughter is putting these little spiders onto the cheesecloth. Our kitty is joining in as well. And then I just went around my home and I just found some Harry Potter inspired things to add to the mantle that I already had on hand. So I have this stack of books, a lantern, some DIY bug art. I have this everlasting candle that I love and I'm adding it on the mantle as well. Now we're lighting all of the candles and I love how this mantle turned out. We're also adding an owl, which is Harry Potter inspired, and all three of my daughters really loved this Halloween mantle. Now let's decorate the breakfast nook and create a really cute tablescape for Halloween. I'm using my Cricut Maker to create some butterfly decals. Lots of people put up bat decals on their wall for Halloween. I wanted to do something a little bit different. If you don't have a Cricut, you can buy these pre-made and I will link to some options down in the description box below. Our breakfast nook has the perfect spot for these, so since I cut these on removable vinyl, I'm just placing them on the shiplap around our mirror, and I can just remove these whenever I want to. I love how they add a little bit of whimsy to this wall and tie in all of the black and white. Now I want to make sort of a cottagecore sort of glam look for this Halloween tablescape. I'm putting a lace tablecloth on top of the table, adding some white textured chargers, some plates, some plaid napkins that I had from a few years ago, and then I'm also adding these napkins with the spiders on them. I created these a few years ago with some dollar store towels and some Cricut decals. I also made this mirror with dollar store doily and spray paint. Some gold cutlery adds to the glam factor of this table, adding another one of these everlasting candles. I'll link to them in the description box below, and a faux pumpkin. I decided I didn't like the books on the table, so I'm adding a pumpkin to this as well, and then just using some upcycled mason jars for my glassware. This was such a simple table. I love the black and white colors, and my daughters really loved this as well. Now let's do some DIY Halloween front door ideas. I found this on Amazon as well. It is a gold moon-shaped wreath form. So we're gonna take a whole bunch of things that I already had on hand, like some faux pampas grass and some floral wire. I'm just wrapping that pampas grass around the top and the bottom of the moon shape. I love wreaths and I wanted to create something a little bit different this year that's not your standard circular or oval shaped wreath. I'm taking my glue gun and I'm adding some pink pampas grass to this as well. I want to try to add a few whimsical colors to this wreath and some natural pampas grass on the bottom. I'm inspired by this crescent moon shape, so I'm trying to keep all of my florals that I'm adding in this shape as well. Now I'm adding some faux stems in the middle with some more floral wire and also adding this Dollar Tree flower. And here's how my fall/Halloween moon-shaped wreath turned out. This one is so different and I really like it against actually the inside of our door because the black looks so good with the soft pink, yellow, and natural colors. Now let's make a really cute Halloween inspired mat. I'm going to use my Cricut for this one as well. I'm using my Cricut Explore 3, but again, if you don't have a Cricut machine, you can buy a decal for your floor mat already pre-made on places like Etsy. I will leave a link to some cute ones down in the description box below. I'm cutting out my shapes onto some iron-on transfer paper, and then I'm weeding away all of the excess of vinyl. I'm just using black and white iron-on transfer paper. I found this black and white striped mat on Amazon. I will link it down in the description box below. I loved the color, just nice and simple, really whimsical and cute for Halloween. I'm going to add this Halloween greeting on the front of it, and then I could easily just flip it over and use it plain when the season is over. I'm applying the first layer of black iron-on, and then I'm just using my Cricut Easy Press to apply it to the rug. I'm saving that top piece, and then I'm applying my second layer, the white, with all of the lettering and the little ghost. I'm making sure that's in the right spot, and then I'm using my Cricut Easy Press to make that stick to my rug as well. I'm using the piece of plastic that I saved just to protect all the layers of the vinyl underneath. Now I'm removing my backing, and this also turned out so cute. I definitely made this for my girls. I thought they would love this, and it looks fantastic in front of our door here too. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you were inspired with these simple DIY Halloween decor ideas. Let me know down in the comments below which of these DIYs or decorating ideas was your favorite. I would love to know. I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you will enjoy watching next up in that top left-hand corner.